How lovely. Meeting a new friend of mine today. Just got out of the shower. Just going to check the weather. It is frigging snowing. Today, I met a new friend of mine. I have been talking to her online for a while, but this is the first time I met her because she lives like 2 hours away from me. It's not like we just go, hello, and then we meet. But now she was going into town here to go to some shops, and so we met up, and we hung out for a bit, browsed some shops, and it was fun. It was definitely fun, and I really like her. I am a little bit chilled, actually, so because it's been really like drizzle outside, really terrible. So I'm gonna have some tea and walk my dog, and oh, it's gonna be so much fun to visit her later because she has so many animals. She has horses and cats and dogs and seriously, reptiles. She has like snakes, and how that's a little bit cool, isn't it? I know that a lot of people don't like snakes. I have a friend of mine, she really dislikes snakes, and Mother is practically afraid of them. I think they're kind of cool. I wouldn't want one, but I think they're cool, so I look forward to going in there and looking at her snakes, and just, that sounds dirty somehow, even though it's a girl. It's like, I'm gonna look at her snakes, doesn't it? It does a little bit. Okay. You know, it's done steeping now, my tea, so I'm gonna go, but it was fun talking to you again about my new friend, and I wonder when I'm gonna stop referring to her as my new friend. Whenever I talk to a friend of mine, and you know, Q, I mention her sometimes. That's her nickname, Q. Like the letter Q. Yeah, I know, it's my nickname for her, and it's stuck. It's years old. I love giving people nicknames. And so, to her, I just keep saying, so this new friend this, so this new friend that. Tomorrow I'm gonna meet my new friend. And that's just the thing, and just like, my new friend. So hello, my new friend, if you're watching this. Which is so strange. When I think about a specific person watching a video of mine, then everything just feels really strange. I can put it up for the whole internet to see, but then I don't have to think about who's watching it, so that's good. I just realized I'm being very loud. Bye.